You can see this is the appearance of our eczema, and it is for the treatment of the vitiligo, psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, rosacea, psoriasis. This is targeted and no harmless, easy to treat the lesions where the traditional ones cannot reach. And also, fingerprint management system allows fast to retrieve the patient's information, and inside they have the unique dosage mode and optional irradiation intensity calibration system to ensure the accurate treatment dosage. Okay, now we see the details, and on the side of the instrument as shown, it has two you can see one is micro SD card and another is timer card. Then preparation for treatment. For doctor and dermatologist established a treatment plan based on patient condition to determine treatment size, initial dose, course of the treatment, and interval time. And for patient, you should exposing the area needs radiation, cleaning skin, and apply cream to radiation parts if necessary. And also you should wear the UV goggles. Okay, there's one thing you need to notice. For newly diagnosed patient, a skin phototoxicity should be performed. That is the MED test. Also in this machine, we have the MED test. You can see that here. MED test is required before UVB treatment. This test can help doctors determine the correct UVB treatment dose. And step of the MED test. First, you should determine patient's skin type. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 6 skin type you can choose. Please to make sure doctors and patients should wear UV goggles during the test to protect your eyes. This is the treatment handle. You can see that. And the treatment handle is placed on the flexion side of the subject upper limb forearm, just like this. And the 6 sides are irradiated at different distance. The output dose values required for the instrument preset test, and the instrument will automatically output 6 dose values according to the selected skin type, and finish one and change it into another one, just like this. And then turn to another one. So turn to another one. And then another one, another one. Position of each hole is marked with a marker or other means. And for the next 24 hours, the test site should be protected from any artificial and natural UV light source. After 24 hours, patients return to the hospital, and 6 spots will regularly form on the skin after irradiation. And you should determine the dose that first causes skin to produce erythema, which is the minimum red light toxicity or minimum erythema amount of subject. After you finish the MED test, the initial dose of UVB therapy is usually 50% MED value, and 3 or 4 or 5 times a week, 1 week. Whether to increase treatment dose or dose rate is decided by treatment frequency and treatment response. In principle, increase the dose should be such that erythema just visible after irradiation. Here, this is the interface, and we have another function, user information. You can manage the information of the users. We can click on this, and you can see that if you want to treat someone, and just select one user information, just like this, and just click the treatment, and here has the treatment dose and the time, and just press this button. It's okay. Sure, you can also to create a new patient information. Just click this, and then to input the information of the patient, and you can put your fingerprint here, and first click this, follow the prompt, second, then third, and just confirm. It's okay. And we can see here, Tom, we just input this, and next when this is the interface, and use this, and just put, you can retrieve your database, and you can put, and for the treatment to just to treat is okay. Also, we can see our setting here, and it has a sound and the calibration, and also have the treatment mode, and we have the time and the dose. And just now we choose the dose, and you can change time, and we can see this is only the time. You can add the time. Another function is mode switch, and you can just click this, and it will show you the user information. The same with the user information function. Okay, that's all the operation of this machine. And when you finish, and you can close this machine. Thank you.